Hey guys, Skyforce95 here with a product that's really great for organizing and also for helping you move out. So recently I graduated and I had to move to a different location. And these fabric collapsible boxes were an integral part of that move. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Because they're made out of fabric and are easily collapsible, they're also very easy to disassemble and build up. First, you just need to pop out the structure of the bins and then insert the supporting inner layer, which would support the bottom, and also a dividing partition if you needed to divide it into two parts. The dividing partition is just held together by simple Velcro, so you can easily unlatch it if you wanted to and put it down. That way you can use the full size of the bin if you needed to fit larger or longer objects. When fully assembled, it measures about 17.7 inches by 11.8 inches and then a height of just under 10 inches. So it's a really nice sized box. As you can see, I was able to fit a lot of my stuff in there. In fact, I was even able to pack in some of my more delicate items like glass and mugs. I just had to separate them, of course, with some packaging material, but they were able to held together very fine. I was able to stack them on top of each other and also load them into my cars with no problem. Flanking the two sides are these leather handles, and at first I didn't like that it didn't rotate because it was kind of just stapled in, but the leather material itself is very supple, so it's very pliable, and it was a comfort in my hand to use, and I think it's quite strong. I was able to hold pretty heavy items in these boxes, and I didn't really feel of the handles popping off or anything like that. And then once you're done with using these as a transportation device, you can easily store them by either stacking them on top of each other if you have stuff in them, since they are also organizers. They should also fit on those box shelves that you can get from like IKEA or something like that. Or if you don't need to use them at all, you can collapse them all the way down, which is again very simple to do. And you can store them in something like a drawer even, because they can lie so flat. So these fabric bins are basically a hybrid of the advantages of using a bag and also having a cardboard box. It is rigid and it can hold its shape when it's full, like a cardboard box. But when you don't need to use it, you can empty it and it can easily collapse down to occupy little to no space like a bag. So I really love these boxes. I love how versatile they are. But just as one side note, because they are made out of fabric and you can't really put them in the dryer or washer or anything like that. So if they do get dirty, you have to hand clean it yourself. So it's probably going to be a little bit of a pain to do so. So I would just advise to not put anything that would likely to spill in these, or at least put those things that are going to spill in another protective Ziploc bag or something like that before putting it in these storage bins. But one of the best things about these boxes is how inexpensive they are. They cost about $32 on Amazon, so that's just $8 per bin, which is well worth the price. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.